How to change your address on Shopee after an order. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your address on Shopee after an order. First, open the shopee.co.th in your web browser. After that, click on your profile from the top right. Then click on My Account. As you can see, I currently don't have any active orders, so go back to its home page. Now select the product that you want to buy. I'm choosing this product to continue. Once it has been added to your cart, click on View My Cart from the top. Select your product and continue with it. Now here, you can add your address. Keep this in mind, once your order is done, you cannot directly change your address. You need to do this before confirming your order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.